Here's how we can make apps go full screen on the iPad. So let me explain the whole thing. If you're new here on this channel, definitely subscribe to Foxtecc for more videos like this. So, of course, if you have the iPad and download an app which is only been made for the iPhone, you're gonna get the app not in the full screen. Like, you only see the iPhone app on the iPad, which is fine, but in order to make sure it goes to full screen, try to see the App Store if the developers of the app have come up with the version for the iPad. Like, the Instagram is a great example, because in the past it used to only work on the iPhone, and on the iPad you were only required to use the iPhone app, which was not in the full screen. But right now they also made a dedicated iPad app, and you can also get it like that. Just make sure you update and you're going to get access to the same features, and it will be like natively made on the iPad screen. So yeah, that's the important part. See if the developers of the app have already the iPad version available, and if so, just update it through the App Store by clicking the update button. But outside of that, it might also happen that your apps are not in the full screen through the multitasking features. So if you have a window which is not taking up the full screen, you can tap on the buttons in the top left corner and click the green circle to make it expand and take up the whole display. Or similarly, you can go to the settings and multitasking and then decide that the apps can only work in the full screen mode, and that no multitasking like the windowed apps or Stage Manager even works to begin with. So you can decide that the full screen apps are going to stay all the time enabled. But I guess that would be all. Stay tuned for more, and I will catch you in the future uploads.